Welcome. This video will show you how to install the Qubo Video Doorbell. We highly recommend that you get the Qubo Video Doorbell installed by a Q expert or a certified electrician. Check the strength of your Wi-Fi in the area where you intend to install the device. To install the Qubo Video Doorbell, you will need a drill machine, insulation tape, screwdriver, tester and a plier. First, remove the traditional doorbell and the mounting plate that is currently installed at your house. Second, figure out the wiring of your current doorbell. One should be the live wire and the other should be the neutral wire. Then connect the red adapter wire to the live and the black to the neutral wire. Third, place the AC adapter inside the electrical box. The adapter is designed in a manner so it is small enough to fit inside the electrical box. Fourth, take the wire attached to the adapter out of the back plate of the device, the wedge, the mounting plate and the deco plate as shown in the video. Fifth, connect the adapter cable and video doorbell wire. Align the connectors by matching the arrows. Make sure the blue LED light is continuously blinking on the device. Sixth, screw the bottom deco plate. You can either mount the plate by screwing all four corners using a 5mm drill bit. Or by attaching two screws over the electrical box nut thread. Seventh, attach the mounting plate onto the deco plate. Eighth, fit the wedge if you want to angle the device towards the walkway to the door. Adding the wedge is optional. Ninth, attach the back of the device by using the two screws in the middle. 10th, fit the device using the top side screws. Place the wireless chime bell in a central location in your home. Congratulations, your Qubo video doorbell is now installed.